You will need 4mm hex key, terminal screwdriver, crosshead screwdriver, cable snips, and approved mains tester cable ties. Risk of electric shock. Isolate the power supply to the dryer before removing cover. Remove cover by loosening the screws clockwise on the underside of the dryer using the 4mm hex key. When you feel resistance, lift the cover upwards to remove. Using the mains voltage tester, check that the unit is isolated before proceeding. Cut the 3 cable ties holding the wires in place. On the top row of the terminal block, disconnect the 3 controller wires, the black wire, the thin red wire, and the pink wire that lead to the controller. Remove and retain the 2 crosshead screws from each side of the controller and remove from the base plate. Screw the new controller in place and straighten the wires. Fit the pink wire into the top left of the terminal block, the black wire into the top of the terminal block marked N, the red wires into the top of the terminal block marked L. Fit the 3 new cable ties in place to secure the wires. Refit the cover by turning the screws in an anti-clockwise direction, taking care not to over-tighten the screws. Connect to the power supply and test the operation of the unit.